Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since we sat like this, okay? It's been a minute since we had a little sit down video situation. Today's video, as you read in the title, is gonna be an explanation of my treatment with OneTwoSmile. I can't say that without a list because of these aligners. But I'm still getting used to it, okay? So don't judge me if I'm talking funny. I have the aligners in my mouth right now. So if I'm talking funny, blame it on the aligners. I promise you, I do not have a speech problem. So today's video is all about OneTwoSmile. And basically, they're gonna help me fix my teeth. So I'm gonna talk you guys through the process. So we're basically like 2 weeks deep. So by now I kind of have a better understanding of aligners than I did before I started. We're gonna start from the beginning. I'm sure you guys have seen what my teeth look like on Instagram, on YouTube, but if you don't, I'm just gonna put little video clips and pictures. My front teeth are crooked, my bottom teeth are crooked. You can see it. You can't really notice it when I am looking at you like this, but from a profile view, or if I'm laughing and I open my mouth wide, then you can see that my teeth are actually crooked. I was looking into getting braces. My crooked teeth never bothered me, to be completely honest with you guys. It's not like it stopped me from living my life. Like, I was still doing me. I was still happy with the way my teeth, I mean, not happy, but I was okay with the way my teeth looked. But working as a content creator and sometimes a model, like, it never affected my career. I don't think so. But you know, looking at yourself, looking at pictures, looking at videos that you make you kind of start to like notice your teeth. And I'm not gonna lie, like, a lot of times I would scrape footage because I don't like the way my teeth look in them, or I would delete images because my crooked teeth really show. It's also very uncomfortable for me to close my mouth, which is why I don't close my mouth in pictures. And a lot of people comment about the fact that I never close my mouth, so I just like never close it. I'm always like, because it's uncomfortable for me to be like it's really uncomfortable and it just looks unnatural. So when OneTwoSmile reached out to me to basically work with them to fix my teeth, I said yes. OneTwoSmile are clear aligners that adjust your teeth through a period of time. Initially, when they reached out to me, they asked me to send them pictures of my teeth. So I took pictures of what my front teeth looked like, a side profile. I had to like take a picture with my mouth open so they can see what my mouth looks like on the inside. I also sent them a picture of my bite, which is basically when you do this, like you bite, so they see what your bite looks like. So after I sent them the pictures, they explained to me that my case will require more work, which is basically spacing and adding attachments to my teeth, so the aligners can get a better grip when they're in my mouth, if that makes any sense. I got my appointment at American Dental Clinic, which is a clinic that they're affiliated with. The thing with OneTwoSmile is that they have a bunch of clinics that they're affiliated with, that they work with, so they send you to whichever is like convenient for you location wise. I live close to Healthcare City, so it made sense that I go to American Dental Clinic. So I got an appointment, I went to the clinic, and they took a 3D scan of my teeth, and the process was so easy. Literally, you sit down, they put a guard in your mouth so your mouth stays open, and then they put a device in your mouth that will basically scan your teeth digitally. So it's a scan, they scan your top and bottom teeth. I'm gonna insert some footage from my visit so you guys can see the process and how it went down. It was super easy. There's no pain. There's slight discomfort with the guard being in your mouth, but other than that, it's super easy, painless procedure. After they scan your teeth, they study your case, and then they'll send you a video showing you basically your treatment plan and transformation. And I'm gonna insert the video that they sent me right here so you guys can see what it looks like. and you guys can have a better understanding of basically my treatment, which they told me is going to be 1 year and 4 months long, so that's a total of 16 months. So after sending me that video and explaining my treatment plan, then they start to basically create the aligners for you. And these aligners, my case is that I need to wear them or change them once every 2 weeks. So they sent me my aligners, and they're in this box right here. I'm just gonna open this box and show you what's inside of it. So this is the box. So there's like a little brochure explaining to you how to use your aligners, and then they also sent me this piece of paper which basically explains my treatment plan. They sent me my aligners, so they come in like a bag that looks like this. And this one is empty because I have the aligners in my mouth. I have to wear my aligners for 22 hours every single day, which means that I only have 2 hours each day where I can take them out and I don't have to wear them. And the reason they give you these 2 hours is because when you have your aligners in your mouth, you cannot eat with them. So you have to take them out to eat. So the 2 hours I've divided basically for my meals, which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 40 minutes for each meal. And you basically need to allocate 10 minutes after eating before you brush your teeth, because you can't brush your teeth right away. And this is another annoying part, is the fact that you have to brush your teeth before putting your aligners back in. So you eat your meal, you wait for 10 minutes, and then you brush your teeth, and then you put your aligners back in, and then you take them out for the next meal, and you repeat the whole process. There's also like a little case. Let me grab it. So they also give you this little case that you can use to store your aligners when they're out of your mouth. So yeah, so I went to the clinic and they gave me my box and they explained to me how I should use it. So because I have a lot of teeth and I have a small mouth, they need to basically create space for the teeth to move, because these front two and then these four bottom ones are a bit overlapping and they're like coming forward. So they need to like space the rest of my teeth so they have room to be pushed back. And when they did the spacing, like this was it was not painful, it was just uncomfortable. They use like this tiny little device to basically space between your teeth, and it's kind of like you can feel it, but it's not painful. It's just an uncomfortable sensation. But it's nothing that you can't handle. Like you can just like think about something else. And because I have like sensitive teeth, they were uncomfortable. So maybe if you don't have sensitive teeth, it might not be that uncomfortable. So yeah, they filed between my teeth, but you cannot even notice. And then they added attachments to, I think 12 of my teeth. So 3 up here, 3 down here, and then 3 here, and then 3 here. And they're like tiny little white attachments that you cannot even notice. The attachments are so the aligners can have a better grip of your teeth, and then they can like hold on and basically align your teeth. So after I got my teeth spaced and I got the attachments installed, they gave me the box, and then they explained to me that because my case requires spacing, I have to go back after aligner number 9, which is in 4 months, to again file between my teeth some more. To create more space. Like I explained to you guys, I am 2 weeks in. Tonight I have to take these aligners out and put a new pair in, which is basically they label the aligners for you. So there's like 1, 2, 3, etc. And like I explained to you guys, I have to change mine every 2 weeks, and then I have to wear them for 22 hours every single day. Of course, like the instructions change from one case to the other, and I think I've covered everything. In case you guys wanted to learn more, I vlogged my first week wearing the aligners. I thought it might be like an interesting experience to vlog, so you guys can see basically how I adapted to them, my first reaction after putting them in. In the beginning, like I couldn't speak without sounding weird. I could feel them in my mouth. there was a lot of pressure on my teeth, and I took painkillers to kind of like ease the pain for the first 2 days, and then right now like I can't even feel them. I also gotten used to taking them out and putting them back in. Putting them back in is easy, but taking them out was a bit of a challenge because like I didn't know how to do it in like a smooth way. I think I've covered everything. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'm gonna answer them like in a video or something. I'm really excited to like basically correct my smile and have straight teeth. Yeah, that's that. I don't know what else to say, so I'm just gonna leave.